What is up everybody, welcome back to Cheesy Techie video, and today I got a gaming mouse. Specifically, it's a wireless gaming mouse. So this is a Tecware Pulse gaming mouse which I bought in Cinema Square back in May. So this is the Tecware Pulse. It's the 2.4 GHz wireless. I think you can use with Bluetooth from what I can tell. So the good thing about this mouse, the Tecware Pulse, is that you can use either wired or wireless. So you can use wired, it came with the pre-included wire, so you can just plug it in and you can continue using it. Or you can use the wireless feature. You just like, they will include a dongle and just plug it in and you can use it wirelessly. But yeah, so well, enough of me bickering around. Let's talk about features. So on the back, yeah, as you can see the features. Later I'm going to open it inside. This is just obvious. Windows supports Windows PC USB port. Definitely will support Mac. Well, Mac doesn't make a difference on this thing, so yeah. Well, time to unbox it. Here's the actual mouse itself. Wow, it looks nice. It's wired. And featuring with the PTFE feet, which is very popular for gaming mouse. Inside it. Oh, we have a lot of goodies. And this is typical usual stuff inside. We have our cable and honeycomb top cover. So we have the left and right side buttons, but to me actually this is good enough for me. Well, if you want to have like one flat or something like that, or you don't make it like glossy one, you can replace with the matte one, but I prefer glossy, even though it's collect scratches and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, so here is the actual product itself. In my first impression, it looks nice. In person, you can replace the cover with the honeycomb. So you have the dongle inside, and from there you can just switch to the honeycomb, which is nice. So this is the mouse itself. We have the cable, which is USB-C, but actually I can just use my keyboard to just charge on it, blah blah blah, it doesn't make a difference. So the cable wise, I can just put inside, and then this hard shell cover I can just put inside the box. Yeah, so I'm going to set it up and I'm going to give you my first impression on this. So let's go. Before I start my first hands-on on this Tecware Pulse wireless gaming mouse, let's go through with some features. So first up, it has the interchangeable magnetic side button. So originally it will come with the side buttons which is curved and glossy, but you will have the flat one if you don't like the curve of your side buttons, or if you don't use your side buttons that much often, you can replace it. And also it has the replaceable top cover. This is the lightweight cover that is included. So originally it will come with this. This is the fully covered, doesn't have the holes. You can replace it with the lightweight cover, which is known as the honeycomb style. And also has the 8 fully programmable buttons, which you can program through the Tecware Pulse wireless software that is pre-included through their website. And also it has the PixArt 3335 sensor over here. It can go up to 16,000 dpi, which is overkill. And also it has the Huano switches for the left and right click. It has a 400 mAh internal battery which can last 50 hours estimate according to the box. And it has the up to 1000 Hz pulling rate. I think it's through wired, I guess. I don't know what is polling rate, you can go and Google it yourself. It comes with the RGB lighting with multiple nodes, which you can do like this, which you can choose different color. And yeah, I just prefer to turn off just to save a bit of battery. And also macro support through via the Tecware software, which you can create keys, shortcut keys and all that kind of stuff. And it also has a PTFE mouse feed, as you can see here. And well, that's all. My first impression on this, which is quite nice in conclusion, but I don't know what is the battery life, but it will be quite long. It's going to be mainly used for not sort of gaming, but I do tend to game very rarely. So yeah, let's start with my hands-on on this Tecware mouse with the game called Arsenal, which is a rip-off version from CS2. I'm too lazy to install CS2 on my laptop, but this is the way to go. So yeah. And you can change the DPI, which is nice. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh shit. I died. Okay, this is too. Oh my god. Okay, this is 1600. Okay. Alright. Oh, I died. Oh, what? Why you got present? What the hell? I can't. Dude, die. Okay, I just. Oh shit, I died. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh shit, I died. Boy. Oh, what the hell is wrong with Roblox Arsenal in the meantime? Oh damn. Oh no. What is? Well, I'm noob at this game, but yeah, so this is my hands-on and my first look on this and unboxing of this Tecware Pulse wireless gaming mouse. Overall, it's quite nice. I like the wireless setup on this mouse. It makes a big difference from my current setup, which is filled with wires and all that kind of stuff, which is hopefully it will cut down some of the wired stuff on my setup, but we are getting there. I also have a 60% mechanical keyboard coming up soon, so stay tuned on that and check out my Instagram for more updates on my YouTube channel and all that kind of stuff. So that's it for this hands-on unboxing of this Tecware Pulse wireless gaming mouse. I love it. I think I'm gonna daily drive it most of the time, but yeah. So that's it for this video. Remember to like, share and subscribe. That's it for this video, and I catch you guys next time. Bye bye.